You're likely adding static embeddings to your hybrid retrieval pipeline. But do they actually contribute complementary ranking information? A rigorous evaluation across Dutch MTEB-NL tasks suggests that, for pure effectiveness, they do not. The study fused BM25, the Qwen 3 embedding 0, 6B transformer, and 2 multilingual static models, Potion and static similarity MRL. This evaluation avoided the top K approximation confounder. Researchers performed exhaustive full-corpus scoring across 14,500 queries and 786,000 documents, generating over 4 billion query document pairs per retriever. They searched the weight simplex in 0.1 increments and applied 10-fold query-level cross-validation. Statistical inference used paired bootstrap confidence intervals and home-corrected sign randomization tests. The evaluation covered 5 distinct datasets: Dutch News, OpenTender, VABB, WebFAQ-NL, and Wikipedia-NL. Fusion outperformed the best individual retriever on 4 of these datasets. Dutch News saw 0.061 MRR gain, VABB improved by 0.029, and Wikipedia-NL by 0.025. WebFAQ-NL showed a small but statistically significant gain, while OpenTender remained purely lexical, selecting BM25 alone. Here is the critical finding: the static models were entirely rejected. In all 50-fold level selections, the unrestricted selector assigned 0 weight to the static retrievers. The optimum always collapsed to the BM25 Qwen edge. Forcing a static contribution reduced effectiveness, with MRR losses up to 0.036. Transfer learning confirmed the architecture's stability. Leave one dataset out selection consistently chose equal BM25 Qwen weighting, which transferred robustly across all domains and outperformed cross-domain selected individual baselines. The conclusion is clear: standalone benchmark quality does not guarantee marginal fusion value. Static embeddings failed to add complementary signal in this setting. For Dutch retrieval, a two-retriever lexical transformer architecture is the empirically justified default. Static models remain viable for efficiency-constrained deployments, but for maximizing retrieval effectiveness, they are redundant.